So today we'll know how to schedule your WhatsApp messages. Just go to your Play Store and search an application called Schedit. Open it, install, wait till it installs. Open it, accept terms and conditions and just click on skip. You can sign in if you require. You can add on services like call, SMS and WhatsApp, and then click on schedule WhatsApp messages. And here you can add WhatsApp recipients. Whoever you want to send the message, you can schedule the person. Here just for an example, I'm clicking on one of the contacts. Write the text whatever you require. Select the timing. Right now it's 6:19. I'm selecting it 6:20. Okay. You can select whether you want to repeat or not and date. And just ignore that. And done. You can see that your message is scheduled. Wait till it's 6:20. Now with 6:20, it automatically does all this stuff. This is all done by the application itself. You don't need to do anything. Done. And it automatically closes and gives you notification. Your message has been sent successfully. And done.